Artificial intelligence, AI, cryptocurrencies are digital assets linked to the development and application of AI technologies in the blockchain. These coins support projects that integrate AI for enhancements in automation, decision-making, and data analysis within various sectors, including finance and supply chain. Examples include SingularityNet, AGI, and Fetch.ai, FET. These projects aim to decentralize AI, making it more accessible and efficient. The supply details of AI cryptocurrencies vary. For example, SingularityNet has a total supply of 1 billion AGI tokens. SingularityNet, AGI, aims to create a decentralized marketplace for AI algorithms, facilitating global access to artificial intelligence technology. Fetch.ai, FET, focuses on building an economic internet, automating digital economies through AI and machine learning to solve complex problems without human intervention. Both projects leverage blockchain to ensure transparency and security while promoting innovation in AI.